The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite and the fifth largest in the Solar System. It is the largest natural satellite of a planet in the Solar System relative to the size of its primary body, having 27% the diameter and 60% the density of Earth, which represents 1/81st of its mass. But did you know that in your entire life, you've only seen one side of the Moon? That's right. The Moon is in synchronous rotation, that is, the time it takes to describe a rotation around its axis is the same as it takes to complete an orbit around the Earth. This makes it practically always have the same surface facing the Earth. So subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more videos about astronomy, and come with me because in this video, we are going to talk about 7 facts you didn't know about the Moon. Fact 1. Why are the Moon and Sun the same size when observed? The average distance from Earth to the Moon is 384,000 kilometers. Another curiosity is that the Moon is 400 times smaller than the Sun, but because it is 400 times closer to Earth, it appears to be the same size. Fact 2. The formation of the Moon. The main theory of the formation of the Moon dates back to 1975 and considers that a celestial body the size of Mars, called Theia, collided with Earth about 4.5 billion years ago, when our planet was still in formation and was a big ball. Pasty and hot. A piece of the Earth's globe would have come loose and formed the Moon. Fact 3. Why does the Moon have spots? The dark and large areas are areas of solidified lava from the most remote periods of lunar evolution, when the satellite still had active volcanoes. Once the lava solidified as the Moon cooled, the impacts would set in and would remain visible forever. Fact 4. Why can't we live on the Moon? Our satellite has no atmosphere to protect humans or other living beings from direct exposure to solar radiation, such as ultraviolet radiation. There is also no water and no volcanoes because, unlike the Earth, the Moon has the innermost part in a solid state. It does not have magma. And, of course, the main thing, on the Moon there is no oxygen air that we breathe here on Earth. Fact 5. Why does the Moon shine? The Moon does not emit light, it does not have its own light. When we look at the sky and see it bright and imposing, we are actually looking at the Sun on the Moon. The Sun is the primary source of light, a luminous body. The Moon is a secondary source, an illuminated body. Fact 6. What is the temperature of the Moon? The Moon has no atmosphere, so temperatures range from -184 degrees Celsius at night to 214 degrees Celsius during the day, with the exception of the poles where the temperature is constantly -96 degrees Celsius. The Moon is actually a little crooked because the lunar crust is a little thicker on one side than the other. Fact 7. When was the last time humans walked on the Moon? The last time was in 1972, during the Apollo 17 mission. Bonus fact, when will we set foot on the Moon again? NASA plans to take a new mission to the Moon under the Artemis program. This is predicted to happen between 2025 and 2026.